Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Tichie. Karibu. Today's video is all about my Dubois Road haul, so keep on watching. So Dubois is actually a French word that is meant to be pronounced as Dubois, but Kenyans we just say Dubois. And if you dare say, "Oh, do you mean Dubois?" The side eyes, the "Oh, she's so bougie. She is so bougie. See, it's Dubois. I at Dubois." So when we come to Kenya, just say Dubois. Just blend into the culture and say Dubois. Dubois. Not Dubois. Dubois. You can access Dubois Road either from Latema Road or Accra Road, depending on which side you're coming from. Accra Road is the road you take when you're going to get bus tickets for Mombasa, Kampala. So that is the road. It's on your left if you're from Accra Road, and on your right if you're on Latema Road, which is Odeon, the famous stage called Odeon and all that, where you can get mats from Wisti, Lavi, Pango. Yeah. On Dubois Road, there are a lot of shops where you can get a variety of products ranging from beauty and hair. And today's haul is a mix of both. But I'd like to say something about makeup. The makeup is predominantly fake, and I wouldn't advise anyone to get makeup from Dubois Road. But all the coins that you're going to save from Dubois Road, you can save that up and buy legit makeup. That is my tip. My number one tip. Tip number two, I do advise that you go with your girlfriends. They don't want to go, drag them. And if one of them doesn't want to come with, call them. Tell them, "Hey, I'm buying this for you and you're going to refund me the money, okay?" So guys, let's get into the haul and let me show you the stuff that I bought. Starting off with beauty sponges. So these are beauty sponges. Some people call them beauty blenders. Don't call them beauty blenders. Beauty blender is a brand. These are beauty sponges. So I bought 5 of them because I got them at a wholesale deal. So if you go to these shops and you ask how much is a beauty sponge, they say, "Oh, 100 shillings." And then you ask them, or sometimes they do ask you, "How many are you buying?" So if someone asks you that, just know you can get a wholesale deal out of this. So you just ask them, "How much is wholesale price?" And then they'll tell you, "Oh, wholesale price is 80 or 70. Then you tell them, "How many do I need to buy for me to qualify to get the wholesale discount?" And then they tell you 4. In this case, I was told you need to buy 5 for you to get a wholesale discount. So the whole of this was 400, and I wanted 3 beauty blenders. 3 beauty sponges. So I was like, instead of buying 3 beauty sponges, which is 300, how about I just add 100 bob and get 2 extra? So that is my tip. Always ask for wholesale deals. Always. Because what's it called? On Dubois Road, they know most of their shoppers are salon owners or makeup artists or people in the beauty or hair industry, and they do buy in bulk. They don't buy one like us guys. So when you ask for a wholesale deal, that's what I'm telling you, drag your girlfriend so that you get the wholesale deal. If I just bought 3 beauty blenders and then my other girlfriend bought 2, and yet we got like the 5 beauty blender deals, that is awesome, because you're not just going there to buy beauty blenders, you have other stuff. You to save your shmoney, honey. Anyway, I talk too much. So let's go to the next one. The next one I got was this brush cleaner. They call it the brush egg. The brush egg. So it looks like this. The ridges are where you rub your brush, and you can. This is actually a good deal. I bought this for $150. So this is a brush. They call it a foundation brush. It goes for 200 bob. But I intend to use it as my face mask brushes. So it's really, it's really soft. It's flat. You can see it's a flat brush, perfect for my face mask application. I don't know about the quality of the brushes at Dubois Road, so I can't really I can't advocate or be against them, but I do suggest that you test them out for yourself. But for me, if you're thinking of getting a brush for your face masks, I suggest to get the Dubois Road ones. They're inexpensive. Somehow doing a mask can ruin your brushes, so you want to have at least gotten an inexpensive brush for the job. The next thing are these. Now we all know the famous Davis brand. So these are the jumbo pencils. So I bought a bunch of them. How much did I buy them for? I have my receipts over here. I had to ask for receipts so that I don't forget. So the dozen eye pencils, these ones were 180 for 6 pieces. These are the other ones that I collected. So this was 180 for 6 pieces. And I also got ooh, okay, I also got these plus the ones that have fallen, the number 3 pencils, and these ones were 250. The Davis number 3. I don't know if it will focus. Damn it. So the Davis number 3 for my brows, and I always buy them in this pack. So Davis number 3 for my brows. These ones can be used in many ways. So one, you can use the shimmery ones for the under eye, and then you can use the matte ones as your lip liner. You can always also use the matte ones as your eyeshadow base, depending on which color you want to do, because something like navy, this is a navy blue, sometimes the pigment of the shadow is not so intense and you need something to boost it, so you can use that as an eyeshadow base and then do your eyeshadow on top. So, and the black one for tight lining your upper and lower lash line. So these are multi-purpose, like you can go crazy with these ones. You can even add more colors. They kind of are like a dupe for the NYX jumbo pencil in milk. The milk one was the famous one, and then now the rest. So these are Kenyan dupes for NYX jumbo pencils, and these number 3 are perfect for brows. The next thing I want to go into is this. This is a manicure set, and it's perfect for travel. So in here you can get all this. So you can use this to cut your lashes for your emergency manicure, especially when you're on the go. And it comes in this nice pouch, bag, whatever you call it. So you can even have it in your handbag for those emergency manicure lash. What else can you do? It has a tweezer and other and stuff for manicure, I mean for a facial. So this kit was 350, so I think it was worth it. Just throw it in your bag and it's perfect for travel. So another thing that I got at a discount was this DIY bottle. So they were like, how many do you want? Asked her how many for wholesale deal. She told me 4. So I got 4 of them. I can use one for my hair products and I can use one for my beauty products. So that was a good deal. Each was 50 bob. So I got them for, the whole pack was 200. I kind of think I could have gotten a better deal, but 50 bob is not bad for these bottles. Let me show you one. I wanted both the one with the pump and the one with the spritz, but I only got this one with a pump. So you push this is like a stopper, and then you put your oils, you know, if you do natural oils, and then you can put this back in. So when you're traveling or moving around with the product, it's not pumping away. So I think these are good deals you buy from Dubois Road. So we move on to hair, and the thing that I bought in wholesale were these wig caps. So weaving caps, wig caps. How much did I get them for? Weaving cap. So each was 30 bob, and I got one for 150. So I got a bunch of them. I got the different ones. So if you're a DIY girl like me and you'd like to do wigs and weaves, so these are for crochet, and these ones are for like sewing in or for gluing in. So I found this as a good deal, 150. So, and then with this I got the crochet needle, this one, the latch hook one for crochets. I think it was, how much was it? 100 bob. Yeah, I think it was 100 bob. Yeah, it was 100 bob. Another thing I got for, especially for travel and for hair, it's this comb set. I have used this one for when I was doing this hair in my previous video, and I know you're like, if you're a naturalista, you're like, I don't even use combs, but trust me, when you do a weave or wig, when you want to do that perfect part on your hair, you will need at least a rat tail comb. So the whole set was 250, and it's so ready for travel. See, it's compact. I really like it. I like stuff for travel. Like you see, everything is intact, so you don't run the risk of losing or forgetting something. Another thing I bought was this. You know, if you're a naturalista like me, you know how we lose these things. So every time you go to Dubois Road or you pass by Dubois Road, just grab this. This is 50 bob, but I'm pretty sure if I had bought more, I would have gotten it for like 30 bob. So grab this just in case you lose a couple, you still have like backups. And it's inexpensive, so get yours. There's no need to say, oh my god, my bobby pins have disappeared. Well, you can get it at a wholesale deal at Dubois Road. I think this is the last thing. All these are shower caps. I got them at wholesale price. So just went and I was like, I need a shower cap, and you know, I use shower, and then these shower caps can get really loose or can get stained by henna so easily. So that's why I bought a lot. These are 6 shower caps. and I bought them for, let me see, oh my god, fresh egg, I don't know, but I remember it was like 30 bob, so 30 times 6 is 180 for all of this, which is a good deal, because if you just buy one, it's 50 bob. If you buy 3, it's 150. If you buy 6, it's 180. So guys, save that money, save that money. And I'm done, but I will go get more stuff like bobby pins. And I've seen, if you've seen a lot of Dubois Road hauls on YouTube, there are many. So I was like, hey, this is like a ritual, like you have, this is a rite of passage. If you're a beauty YouTuber in Kenya, you have to do like a Dubois Road haul. So I decided, let me just do it. And mine was just not beauty, it was hair and beauty. So I hope that kind of helps if you're either one or the other. Another brand that I would suggest that you guys think of getting is Kenyan brands that are sold there, because I know a lot of Kenyan brands do distribute to the shops at wholesale, so you do stand a chance to get a wholesale deal. So brands like Darling Kenya, Sister, Luron is produced in Kenya. So if you get a deal at Luron nail polish or nail remover or hair braiding hair or weaving hair, you can just get the deals from Dubois Road. At least that is a safe brand, you know, it's Kenyan, it's local. So, but international products like MAC, Urban Decay, no, those ones are just fake makeup. So I hope this haul helped, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and until the next one, bye.